Most people overpay for products like this. Here's why this one is different. When it comes to portable winch kits, having the right features and quality can make all the difference, especially if you're someone who loves off-roading or needs to move heavy loads around your property. I've found that the Warn 104179 Zeon 10S multi-mount portable winch kit is a great option, and link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. The thing I love about this kit is that it's incredibly versatile. It's designed to work with the Zeon 10S winch, which is a premium line for trucks, Jeeps, and SUVs, and it includes 100 feet of Spadura synthetic rope and all the necessary hardware to get you set up and going. This means you can have a winch on the front or rear of your vehicle, giving you a lot of flexibility when it comes to recovering your vehicle or pulling heavy loads. For example, I've used this winch to recover my friend's Jeep from a muddy ditch, and it made the process so much easier and safer. Another benefit of this kit is that it's really easy to use, even for someone who's new to winching. The remote control makes it simple to operate the winch from a safe distance, and the winch carrier is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. I've also found that the Spadura synthetic rope is really durable and resistant to abrasion, which is great for heavy use. Plus, the kit includes everything you need to get started, including a wiring kit and a fair lead, which can save you money and hassle in the long run. In terms of practical benefits, this winch kit can be a lifesaver if you're someone who loves to go off-roading or works in a field where you need to move heavy equipment around. It's also great for farmers or ranchers who need to move heavy loads around their property. And, because it's a multi-mount kit, you can use it on different vehicles, which can be a big cost saver in the long run. One of the pros of this kit is that it's really well built and durable, and the synthetic rope is much lighter and easier to handle than traditional steel rope. On the downside, one con is that it can be a bit pricey, and another con is that the instructions can be a bit confusing, so it's worth taking some time to read through them carefully before you start using it. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Warn 104179 Zeon 10S multi-mount portable winch kit, and I think it's a great option for anyone who needs a reliable and versatile winch. If you're interested in learning more, the link is in the description below, so be sure to check it out and see if it's the right fit for your needs.